Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Tectonic on your Trust wallet. First of all, you need to know that Tectonic is only available on the Kronos network for now. So we're going to be using the Kronos network to buy the Kronos network and the Kronos tokens to buy this Tectonic. So all you're going to do is you're simply going to scroll down to the about and simply copy this contract address here. You simply click on this copy icon, and once you've copied it, you simply minimize, open up your Trust wallet, and with your Trust wallet opened up, the toggle at the top right corner of the screen where you have this plus icon is what we're going to be clicking on, and then we're going to be selecting the Kronos network, the Kronos chain. Click on this, paste the contract address we just copied, and click on save, and boom, the tonic is on our wallet. As you can see, we've got tonic on our wallet. Now the next step we're going to take is we're going to simply enable the Kronos, and that can be done by simply using the toggle again, searching for CRO. This Kronos chain is what we're going to be using. This toggle I'm moving, this coin, you simply click on this coin here and you see we've deposited some amount of this, and this is what we're going to use for gas fees and transaction. I got this coin from crypto.com exchange platform. All you need to do is simply withdraw the Kronos directly from here, and by withdrawing from here, you're going to take it straight to your Trust wallet, and once it gets to your Trust wallet, it's activating the Kronos network there. So once Trust wallet has opened up and you've gotten your Kronos, the next step is going to be using the browser icon at the bottom of the screen. So you simply click on this browser and search for vvs.finance. So finance, and the site is going to open up. And what we're going to be doing with this particular site is we're going to be buying our Tectonic from here. We're going to be buying the tonic coin from here, and they're asking us to connect our wallet. So you simply click on connect. Wrong network. So you use this toggle, you use the Ethereum, and simply scroll down to where you have the Kronos chain. Click on this and click on connect again. Switch over to Kronos chain, click on connect, and boom, our wallet is connected, as you can see here. So what we're going to do, we're going to be looking for where we can swap our token, where we can simply swap the Kronos we have for some Tectonic. So you simply go to trade down here. It's down here, trade, click on swap. And we're going to be exchanging our Kronos for some of the good Tectonic. So again, you paste that Tectonic contract address here. Click on tonic. Click on tonic, and then we're going to be using 50% of our Kronos to get some of the tonic, which you then simply click on swap. Confirm swap is next. I'm waiting for confirmation. Here we go. Approve. Boom. Transaction submitted. You can view this on the Kronos scan, just like how we have the Binance scan. So you simply click on view on Kronos scan, so we can have an in-depth look at how the transaction went about, the time, the purpose of the transaction, and the rest. So once you've viewed all of this, you simply close this, head over to your wallets, paste the contract address for the tonic. If it doesn't show up, you could add the tonic again or simply reload your wallet. So after reloading, here we go. We've got about 2 million of the tonic already on our wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy the Tectonic on our Trust wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.